Integro Technologies works tirelessly to develop the exact system your production line requires. Our sales engineers work one-on-one with you to determine your objectives, system requirements, time frame, and budget. Once this is established, our evaluation team examines and tests a number of application possibilities to ensure your vision inspection requirements are met. Quotes are then made for the entirety of the application project, which can include needed hardware, software, installation, and training. Upon quote approval from your company's decision makers, an engineering team is assembled to design and develop your application. Throughout our project development process, our machine vision experts ensure the proper vision platform selection to match both your vision application and system integration needs, while avoiding the common costly pitfalls related to such projects. This process enables us to deliver your project on time and within budget. Contact Integro Technologies today, and let's get your application started.